In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add extra data feeds on TradingView. If you need access to additional market data such as live exchange information for stocks or futures, TradingView makes the process fairly straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to look for so you can activate the data you need without confusion. To begin, open your browser and go to tradingview.com. Once the site loads, log into your account profile. Make sure you're signing into the correct account, especially if you use more than one, because any data subscription you add will be connected to that specific profile. After you're logged in, go to the account and billing section. This is where TradingView manages your plan, payments, and any add-on services tied to your account. If you don't immediately see it, take a moment to look through your profile or account settings area until you find the billing section. Once you're there, scroll down until you reach the extra data feeds area. This section is specifically for adding exchange data beyond what may already be included in your current plan. Depending on what markets you trade or analyze, you may see several options listed here. Next, click Add Data. Next to the exchange you want, for example, you might choose US equities if you want more complete stock market data, or CME futures if you're following futures markets. Before selecting, it's a good idea to double check that you're choosing the correct exchange for your trading needs, since different markets provide different types of pricing and coverage. After selecting your required exchange, enter your payment details and complete the checkout process. Be sure to review the subscription cost and billing frequency before confirming. Once the payment goes through, the data feed is typically activated instantly, so you can begin using the live data right away. If the activation doesn't appear immediately, try refreshing the page or signing out and back in. In most cases though, the upgrade is available within moments. It's also worth remembering that extra data feeds are usually separate from your main TradingView plan, so even if you already have a paid subscription, some exchanges may still require their own add-on purchase. That's all it takes to add extra data feeds on TradingView. Follow those steps carefully, choose the exchanges that match your market focus, and you should be ready to access live data in just a few minutes.